Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Google Pay for contactless payments. So let's get straight into the video. The first step, of course, is to ensure that Google Pay is set up. So what you want to do is to make sure that you have Google Pay set up on your device, and you want to ensure that you have a valid credit or debit card added to Google Pay. Now after that, we'll go to step 2, and that's to enable contactless payments. Now how you're going to do this is to first open Google Pay on your device. Then you want to tap on 3 horizontal lines or the more button, and then you want to select settings or payment settings, and then you want to toggle on contactless payments or NFC payments. And then the step 3 is to add a default payment method. So what you want to do is to open Google Pay on your device, and then you want to tap on the 3 horizontal lines or the more button, and then select payment or payment settings, and then you want to tap on default payment method, and then you got to select the credit card or debit card that you want to use as your default payment method. The fourth step, of course, is to make a contactless payment. So you just got to look for the contactless payment symbol at the checkout counter, and then unlock your device if required, of course, and then hold the back of your device near the contactless payment terminal, and just wait for the payment confirmation on the terminal and your device. So there are some supported devices when it comes to doing this. Of course, Google Pay supports most Android devices running Android 5.0 or later. Unfortunately, if you have less than 5.0, if you have 4.0, you're not going to be able to run this service. And of course, there's also the Wear OS devices. So Google Pay also supports Wear OS devices. So these are the supported devices for initiating Google Pay. Now for the supported cards, of course, you need a credit card. So Google Pay supports most major credit cards brand, including Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. And as for the debit card, Google Pay also supports most debit card brands. Now I got a couple of tips for you guys. The first, of course, is to ensure NFC is enabled. So you want to make sure NFC is enabled on your device before you use contactless payments. The second, of course, is to keep your device software up to date. So you got to keep your device software up to date to ensure compatibility with Google Pay. And the third, of course, is to use Google Pay with participating merchants. So you got to make sure that you use Google Pay with participating merchants to ensure a seamless payment experience. So those are the tips I got for you guys to take note of. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because your subscription helps us out a lot. So please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.